So if you remember last time, we started getting that pause button working, and it turns out that I had made a little mistake. When we hit the play, it did that. I went, what the heck happened? I will show you my error. The play button did exactly what we told it to do. And if you look here, if you remember, we need to change this from start game. So basically we called that function to reload this scene. And we didn't rotate because we never told it to turn the rotation back on. We want to make this continue game. Now it should work. And we hit pause. And we hit play. We probably need panel. Yep, and we need to assign the panel. That's right. Okay. Now it'll work. There we go. Hopefully as I do more tutorials, we get better at that sort of thing. All right. So again, it threw us back an error because when we went to our end screen, we have the play game button. It is looking for the rotate chicken script. So clearly then what we need to do is create a new script. And the way that we'll do that, we'll click on this play button here. Create an add. We want to call this continue. Why not? I'm going to call it something. So we have our play game and our continue. Our continue is pretty much, well, all of this. Copy that. And from here, we don't need it on this one. So we'll save it. And we'll go back over here to our continue. And then we'll go fix our button. This we can get rid of. And then on here, let's drag that panel back in. We want to change this, of course. And continue game. Now that should solve that problem that when we die, we don't get the error. There. And then on this pause panel, we of course need to get this quit button working. which is actually really simple. So quit game script, create an ad. And for this, all we need is a simple, once again, a void, because we're not returning anything, which we're just going to call end game. And all we need is application quit. That's it. And this is one of these functions that won't work in the editor. It'll only work in the build settings. So you'll see that that works later on. And of course, we need to add it in here. So which object? Quit object. Quit game. And we choose our end game function. And voila. Of course, we save. And then we're going to go do the same thing here. Oh, I went back to the, yeah. Start game script. Quit. And as a matter of, yep. And where is it? Quit game. Select the quit button. In the next video, we're going to get some other things going, pretty much reaching the end of this. I mean, at this point, the game is pretty much working. Right? As far as, oh, of course, save. And then our end screen. Quit. Quit. And oh, haha. Gonna drag the script onto it. All right. Quit game. And end game. Save. Make sure we fix our start screen. For some reason I feel like I forgot to do this one. Nope. And it's all working. So, as you can see, if we start from our very first scene, null reference exception. Oh, that's because, once again, we don't need these. So let's, just like in our end screen, if you remember, we broke the instance of our level. so that we can delete this stuff. Because we don't need it anymore. We really don't need this rotate barrier script. We could leave it on there because we have it set to 0 if we wanted to. Oops, wrong button. But we don't need it. There. And oh, and obviously we'd played through once before. See if I can beat my high score of 1. Nope. Nope. There, see? And it carried over. That's what we were looking for. Excellent. So now we have pretty much everything working. In the next video, we'll get the music going, and then we'll try and make it a little less boring by changing the level, changing the color of the background, that sort of thing. So the next video, we'll do the music, and then the following video, we will take care of that, and probably call it a day.